This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual-zone climate control, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a premium audio system, 18-inch alloy wheels, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, hill start assist, XM satellite radio, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Continental Acura is a proud member of the Naperville Test Track. Visit us today for your best test drive experience ever.